top programming languages for career growth in 2024.
Choosing the right programming language can open doors to rewarding tech jobs. In 2024, employers are seeking developers skilled in languages that power web, mobile, and enterprise solutions. If you're starting out or looking to boost your tech career, these 3 popular and beginner-friendly programming languages are your gateway to opportunity. Let's explore why each stands out and how you can get started.
Python, the go-to language for versatility.
It tops many job lists due to its simplicity and power. It's widely used in web development, data science, machine learning, automation, and more. Python's readable syntax attracts beginners, while its massive library ecosystem supports projects big and small. Companies from startups to large tech firms seek Python skills, making it a valuable choice for anyone pursuing a tech job in 2024.
JavaScript, essential for web and beyond.
JavaScript is the backbone of interactive web applications. Mastering JavaScript opens opportunities in front-end, back-end, and full-stack development. Frameworks like React and Node.js are highly sought after by employers. With JavaScript, you can build websites, mobile apps, and even server-side applications, making your skills relevant across many industries and job roles.
SQL, data skills that get you hired.
SQL is the universal language for working with databases. Almost every business relies on data, and SQL is essential for storing, retrieving, and managing that data efficiently. Roles like data analyst, back-end developer, and business intelligence specialist often require SQL knowledge. Learning SQL is a great entry point for tech careers and complements other programming languages.
How to start learning these languages.
Getting started is easier than you think. Free online resources, coding tutorials, and interactive platforms make learning Python, JavaScript, and SQL accessible for beginners. Hands-on practice with real projects helps solidify your understanding. Build a portfolio, contribute to open source, and keep learning. These steps can help you stand out in the 2024 job market.
Launch your tech career in 2024.
Focusing on Python, JavaScript, and SQL can boost your job prospects. These languages are widely used, beginner-friendly, and in high demand from employers across the tech industry. By learning them, you'll develop valuable skills and open doors to exciting opportunities in today's digital world. Start your journey now and unlock your tech potential.